guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, BMWs get stolen all the time, right? They are being stolen left and right. They always have been across any other European car, right? They're always coming up missing. And the last thing that you want to have happen is have your car be driven away by somebody else. So people break into cars, which sucks as well. They either break your window, drill out your locks, open your car, and maybe they see something valuable in your car, and then of course they take it, right? The best rule of thumb is to never leave anything visible, so that way it doesn't prompt a thief to say, hey, that looks like an iPhone, that looks like a tablet, that looks like a laptop, or that looks like something valuable, money, whatever, out in plain sight to where they can look in. Now, a lot of people have, really dark tinted windows, so that way you can't even see in the car. I've had really dark tint before. That does, of course, help, because then they can't see what you have in there. But it also could prompt them to see, like, oh, what are you hiding if you have such dark tint? So it kind of goes back and forth. So to help eliminate your car being stolen, your BMW from being driven away, we're going to talk about that right here in this video.
Here's the thing, if someone wants to get into your car, they of course will, right? Either they, bust out your lock, break your window. Once they gain access to your car and they have the right electronics to be able to, take it over, they're going to do so, right? They're going to access the OBD2 port and they're going to hook up their OBD2 key coder so that way they can put it in, pop in their own key that they program to your DME, and then undo everything in a matter of probably 30 seconds. Go ahead and fire up your car and sadly drive it away. Kiss it goodbye. Haha, sucker. I'm getting a new 335i. Time to part this baby out.
Well, guys, it's as easy as that, right? The Burger Motorsports JB4, since it is a piggyback system off of the DME, you cannot put anything OBD2 related in there when the car is off before switching it to map 0. It eliminates that OBD2 port, so no one can put like a key reader on there so they can recode a key really quick and then be able to drive your car away. The car has to be physically powered on to do that, which you need your key to do that, so you can't obviously switch it back to map 0 if someone's breaking into your car. So it's a nice safety net, something that people don't really talk about that much as far as being a kind of a preventative thing on your car. So there's been many documented incidents from law enforcement stating that, because you had XYZ on your car, so they weren't able to physically steal it. And the big thing is that there was evidence as far as the thieves tampering with the OBD2 port to try to, get something coded on there. So that was obviously apparent based on their evidence. So, you still have damage and you could have stuff still stolen, but at the end of the day, at least your car is still right there with you, and you can take care of all the other stuff via insurance and stuff like that. So not as bad as having your car driven away. This was one of the things that I thought about when I first got the JB4 about 4 years ago, is because I started seeing this out there and I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. That's obviously not the only reason why I got the JB4. There's many other different reasons why I chose what I chose at that time and still run what I run with a back-end flash added on. So that, as far as performance wise, is still down my path for that. So I have multiple other videos. I'll post them up here at the top. That goes into the JB4 stuff, back-end flash, all that good stuff. But as far as keep your car safe and right there with you, the tune is here to help outside of power and performance. Well, guys, that does it for today. Thanks for stopping in, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Take care.